Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. UpWork is one of the largest and most popular online freelancing platforms in the world. It provides a marketplace where businesses and clients can connect with freelancers to hire them for various projects. UpWork offers a wide range of job categories, including writing, design, programming, marketing, administrative support, and more. The platform allows clients to post job listings with specific project requirements, budgets, and timelines. Freelancers can then browse these listings and submit proposals to bid on the projects they are interested in. Clients review the proposals they receive and choose the freelancers they believe are the best fit for their projects. UpWork provides a workspace where freelancers and clients can collaborate on projects, communicate, share files, and track progress. It also offers tools for time tracking and invoicing to ensure transparent and efficient work processes. The platform facilitates secure payment transactions, where clients fund projects and release payments once milestones or tasks are completed and approved. UpWork charges a service fee based on the freelancer's earnings, which varies depending on the total amount billed with a specific client. UpWork offers various features and tools to support freelancers, including skill tests, certifications, and a rating system that allows clients to provide feedback and review freelancers' work. The ratings and reviews help build the freelancer's reputation and credibility on the platform. For freelancers, UpWork provides a platform to showcase their skills, find job opportunities, and build relationships with clients. It offers the flexibility to work remotely and choose projects that align with their expertise and interests. Overall, UpWork serves as a bridge between clients and freelancers, providing a platform where they can connect, collaborate, and successfully complete projects. To register on UpWork, you can follow these steps. 1. Visit the UpWork website. Go to the UpWork website by typing www.upwork.com in your web browser's address bar. 2. Sign up. On the UpWork homepage, click on the Sign Up button located in the upper right corner of the page. 3. Choose your account type. You will be presented with two options: I want to hire, or I want to work. Select I want to work to create a freelancer account. 4. Complete the registration form. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Alternatively, you can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account. 5. Confirm your email. After submitting the registration form, UpWork will send a confirmation email to the address you provided during the sign-up process. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your email address. 6. Set up your profile. Once your email is confirmed, you will be prompted to complete your profile. Provide accurate information about your skills, experience, education, and any certifications you possess. You can also upload a professional photo and write a brief bio that highlights your expertise and what you offer as a freelancer. 7. Take skill tests. Optional, UpWork provides skill tests in various areas. Taking and scoring well on these tests can help boost your profile's visibility and credibility. You can choose to take relevant tests to showcase your proficiency and specific skills. 8. Set your hourly rate or project fees. Determine your desired hourly rate or project fees based on your expertise and the market rates for your skills. UpWork provides guidance on setting competitive rates. 9. Review UpWork policies and guidelines. Familiarize yourself with UpWork's terms of service, policies, and community guidelines to understand the platform's rules and expectations. 10. Submit your profile for review. Once your profile is complete, review it for accuracy and completeness. Then, submit it for review by UpWork. The review process typically takes a few business days. During this time, UpWork will evaluate your profile and determine if it meets their standards and guidelines. 11. Start bidding on projects. Once your profile is approved, you can start searching for jobs and submitting proposals. Use the search function on UpWork to find relevant projects and craft compelling proposals that showcase your skills and address the client's needs. By following these steps, you can register as a freelancer on UpWork and begin exploring the job opportunities available on the platform. To earn money from Upwork, you can follow these steps. 1. Complete your profile. Fill out your Upwork profile with accurate and detailed information about your skills, experience, education, and portfolio. Make sure to highlight your expertise and showcase your best work samples. 2. Take skill tests. Upwork offers skill tests that can help you demonstrate your proficiency in specific areas. Taking relevant tests and scoring well can boost your credibility and attract clients. 3. Search for jobs. Browse through the available job listings on Upwork that match your skills and interests. Use filters such as job type, budget, and client history to narrow down your search. 4. Craft compelling proposals. When submitting a proposal, customize it to address the client's specific needs. Highlight your relevant experience, explain how you can add value to their project, and include samples of your work. Be professional, concise, and showcase your unique skills and expertise. 5. Communicate with clients. If a client shows interest in your proposal, communicate promptly and professionally. Clarify project details, discuss requirements, and negotiate terms such as payment rates, milestones, and deadlines. Clear communication is crucial for successful collaboration. 6. Deliver high-quality work. Once you are hired for a project, focus on delivering high-quality work that meets or exceeds the client's expectations. Be attentive to their feedback and revise your work if necessary. Building a reputation for excellence will lead to repeat business and positive reviews. 7. Manage your time and meet deadlines. Efficient time management is key to success on Upwork. Plan your work schedule, prioritize tasks, and ensure that you meet deadlines. Being reliable and delivering work on time will enhance your reputation and encourage clients to hire you again. 8. Request feedback and reviews. After completing a project, ask clients to leave feedback and provide a review on your Upwork profile. Positive reviews and ratings help build your reputation and attract more clients. 9. Expand your skills and services. Continuously improve your skills and expand your service offerings. Stay updated with industry trends, learn new tools or technologies, and adapt to changing client needs. This will increase your marketability and attract a broader range of clients. 10. Build relationships and seek repeat business. Cultivate strong relationships with clients by providing excellent customer service and going the extra mile. Satisfied clients are more likely to hire you for future projects or refer you to others. Remember that building a successful freelance career on Upwork takes time, dedication, and consistently delivering high-quality work. Actively market yourself, seek new opportunities, and provide excellent service to attract clients and earn a steady income from Upwork. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.